Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to speed up old computer. So guys, I will show you multiple ways. So first thing that you will do is simply go to the start menu over here and now just simply search for run and go for this application and open it up. And now from here, just simply type it over here, clean mgr and click on OK. And now from here, just simply select the drive that you want to clean. So since I have two hard drive, it will let me choose one. So I'm gonna go for C and click on OK. And after that, as you can see, you should be able to check here multiple things. So I recommend checking all of these guys. And after that, just simply go ahead and click on clean up system files in order for your computer to make it faster. And from there, you should be able to clean up your computer and you should be able to make it more faster than just simply wait for it to load up. Now guys, another option that you have is just simply go over here and select this show hidden icons and make sure to close all the unnecessary application that you are not using. So just simply right click on it and click on close and right click on the applications and click on exit. And from there, you should be able to speed it up. And another option that you have is just simply right click on the start menu over here. And now over here, just simply go to task manager. And now from here, just simply go ahead and go to the start up over here. And guys, make sure to disable everything over here that you don't need. And as you can see, from here, just simply right click on it to disable any application that you are not using. So when you open up your computer will not lag because here on the startup, when you open up your computer, everything that is enabled over here will open up and will process for you. So guys, the more application disabled over here, the faster your computer will become. And another option that you have is just simply go to the processes over here and just simply do the same thing that and the unnecessary application that you are not using. For example, I'm not using this Xbox application. I'm just gonna right click on it and from here just simply click on end task in order for you to remove it. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!